A complex fraction is a rational expression that has at least one fraction in its numerator or denominator, or both. Here are some examples. First, 1 over x plus 1 over y all over the rational expression 1 over x times y. Next, x plus 3 over 2 over 2 over x minus 4, what's commonly referred to as a four-story fraction. And finally, x plus 3 over x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus x over x squared minus 3x plus 2 all over x squared minus 4x plus 4 minus 2 over x squared minus 4. One way you can simplify a complex fraction, such as 1 over x plus x over 1 over y plus 1, is to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the least common denominator of all the rational expressions. You can also simplify a complex fraction by combining the fractions in the numerator and those in the denominator. Then multiply the new numerator by the reciprocal of the new denominator. Problem 4. Simplifying a complex fraction. What is a simpler form of the complex fraction? 1 over x plus x over y over 1 over y plus 1. Well, in method 1, we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the least common denominator of all the rational expressions and simplify the result. In this case, the least common denominator of all the rational expressions is x times y, so we'll multiply the numerator and denominator by xy. Doing so, and simplifying, we arrive at the expression 1 over x times xy plus x over y times xy over 1 over y times xy plus 1 times xy. Using the distributive property, we arrive at the expression y plus x squared over x plus xy. In method 2, we combine the expressions in the numerator and those in the denominator, then multiply the new numerator by the reciprocal of the new denominator. Alright, so to establish a common denominator in the numerator, we'll need to multiply the fraction or the rational expression on the left by 1 written as y over y, and the rational expression on the right by 1 written as x over x. That will establish the common denominator of xy in the numerator at least. Then shifting our focus to the denominator, we have 1 over y plus 1, so to achieve a common denominator, we'll multiply 1 on the right by y over y. Multiplying, that leads us to the expression y over xy plus x squared over the common denominator xy over 1 over y plus y over that common denominator y. Adding, that brings us to y plus x squared over xy over 1 plus y over y. And recall, division and rational expressions are really just division problems in disguise, so we'll write this as a division problem. Y plus x squared over xy divided by the denominator 1 plus y over y. We know to divide fractions and rational expressions, we simply multiply by the reciprocal of the second fraction or rational expression. In our case, that's y plus x squared over xy times y over 1 plus y. At this point, we'll divide out the common factor, y, and arrive at the simplified expression y plus x squared over x plus xy. Your turn, part A. What is a simpler form of the complex fraction x over 1 over x plus 1 over y? Part B. What is a simpler form of the complex fraction x minus 2 over x plus 2 over x plus 1 all over 3 over x minus 1 minus 1 over x plus 1?